Welcome, beautiful you family, back to my channel. So today we are going to be styling our natural hair. It's going to be a very simple natural updo. So if you are new here, I say a big welcome to you. And if you are one of my subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for all your support. So sit back and watch me style my natural hair. Thank you. First, this is how I straighten my natural hair. I am taking out like the thread that I used to braid around my own natural hair. I'm trying to take it out, and once I completely take it out, I will start from the back to start styling my hair. It doesn't want to unravel. Come on. Ain't nobody got time for this. Come on. Yes, finally, I've been able to unravel the thread from my hair. So I will be using my Cantu natural hair detangler spray to kind of help me be able to work my way through my hair. So the product that I'll be using to achieve this look is a simple rubber band, the little rubber bands, and also an open and closed bobby pin. And as you can see, I'm not even using a comb um, to line out my hair. So beautiful you family, let's go ahead and start. First, I will be using a rubber band, the black rubber band, to tie a little bit of my hair to the back. And what I will be doing is the remaining hair left after I apply the rubber band, I will fold it down and I'm going to pin it as I am doing it in the video. All you have to do is use a closed bobby pin to pin it down just to make sure that it's well secured. So that's what I did. All right, so the next step is we going to be sectioning part of my hair or part of your natural hair. Go ahead and take a little bit of that and twist it. Just keep twisting it around, and I brought it to the other side. So what I will be doing basically, let me try to explain, is I will be taking sections of my hair and fold it, twisting it around, and I will crisscross it um, at the back. So please keep watching and look at how I'm doing. I try to create different hairstyle with my own natural hair. So this is the technique that works for me. So again, as you can see, I took a little bit section of again, I took a little bit of my hair and I cross it over, and all that I'm doing is pinning it. I use a bobby pin to secure it. Again, I took a different section of my hair and I am rolling it. I'm going to be rolling it. So you roll it, you can roll it to, towards the back. And once I'm done rolling it, I'm getting my bobby pin and I'm tucking it under some of the hair that I've already rolled. So just tuck it back and pin it. Right there so that it doesn't move. So right here. Right, again, beautiful you family. So I section another part of my hair and I'm rolling it or twisting it over, and I am tucking it under one of my hair, and I'm going to again secure it with an closed bobby pin. Now we are moving to the front side of my hair, and again I'm using my fingers to basically section my hair, and the little section part that I created, I'm using some of my Cantu detangler to make it a little bit soft so that I'll be able to section my hair good. And after I'm done with that section, I will use one of my rubber band to go around my hair And after I'm done using the rubber band again, I'm going to twist that side, or I'm going to roll it and bring it to the back um, of my hair, and I will use one of my bobby pins to secure it. So watch how I'm able to achieve the front look as well. All right, let's try to comb the front of this hair a little bit so that we can have this hair look popping. So I am now using my rubber band. I use my big comb to comb it out because my hair was a little bit
I
tangled.
went ahead to
So
put a rubber
bam.
band. I sectioned my hair halfway and I put a rubber band and I'm going ahead to twist it. And once I'm done twisting, I'm going to put it on the side. So this is what I can either I'm going like this. And I'm going to pin it. Okay. So now to the side, coming it here, I'm going to section this into.
So again, to the side, I am trying to section out my hair, and as soon as
So
I'm
this is
done
what I
sectioning
did.
it, I will try to roll it or twist it towards the back to try to create a little something something, a little, we just want to glam and put some spices in our natural hair so that that hair is going to be looking. Yes, we want this hair to be making a statement. Right. So now I am bringing that hair towards the back, and I am definitely tucking it under the ones that I've already rolled down, and I put like my open bobby pin to secure it because you want to make sure you have a lot of open and closed bobby pin on hand so that your hair can be well secured. You don't want to be going out and your hair is making a statement and all of a sudden your hair unravels or the bobby pins keep falling out. So sis, my natural hair beauties, make sure you
So
secure
my
that hair
natural
so that
sisters,
that hair
I'm
is
using
not
my
going to be
comb
moving
to
nowhere.
section my hair out so that I can have like a clean line. So that's what I'm actually doing to the front part. I'm sectioning that part into three. As you saw previously, I was able to section part of my hair, and what I did is I twisted it and I just pin it. You want to make sure that you pin it good so that when you're done, it stays in place and it doesn't move. So again, I am twisting it towards the back of it, and when I'm done with it, I'll bring it to the back and secure it with a closed bobby pin. So make sure it's well secured. Okay. So far this is what I have. And to the last hair that I have here.
All right, my natural beauties, we are almost getting there. We are getting close. So, to the front again, I am trying to roll it or twist it towards the back, and let's see what we gonna come up with. Yes, I like that. I like that, but let's try it because we want the front to be pop and it is looking so nice and I am feeling myself. Now, if you wanted to bring it to that side, you can do that as well. But I wasn't really feeling my hair going that way. So I'm going to try to bring it to the other side and see what it's going to give me. And if I like it,
Should
I'm
I go
definitely
like that
going with that.
or
So
should I
if you
go
like that
like
style, like if you wanted to
that?
roll it towards the other side, that is fine. You can do that as well. But I think I'm definitely going with I like what this is giving me. So I'm definitely
Okay,
going
I
to
think
towards that
I'm going
side
to
and
keep it like
all
that.
that I will
So
need is my bobby
we'll
pin
pin it and
because
we'll tuck
boy
it
oh boy,
under.
I want to make sure that this hair is well secured and it's not going to be moving anywhere.
Hairstyle. Wow, I am really feeling myself, and it didn't even take that long to be able to create this look. All right, Shirley, work that hair. Come on. You are always getting done. So that is exactly how I am going to be rocking my hair. So the last part, I brought it to the side and I was able to just, keep rolling it and I pin it. Look at that, how that hair looks now. So, my natural sisters, yes, we can also be rocking and styling our hair. Again, this hair is completed. I will be turning around so that you can see what we were able to achieve together, ladies. All right, my natural beauties. So the hair is now completed. Just a side note, I just want somebody to know that you were born to achieve. You were born to be. So don't give up. Keep fighting, keep working your way out. And I am here to tell you that someday or somehow something good or great is going to be happening. So just sit on tight and make sure that you have enough room for all the favor or for all the good things that's going to be coming your way. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you. Or if you are new here, please make sure you hit the subscription button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will not miss it. Until we meet again, I would say bye bye and thank you so much. Make sure you like, you share, and you comment below.